Hello everyone, this is Dr. Karthika from Department of Biomedical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to discuss about input devices, trackers, navigation and gesture interfaces in virtual reality in medicine. First of all, what do you mean by this trackers? What is the purpose of navigation and gesture interfaces in virtual reality? In previous lecture series, we have discussed about output devices and 5 classic components of virtual reality. Today, we are going to discuss about the input devices. Here we have lots of classification. The main thing is trackers, navigation and gesture interfaces. Okay, what is virtual reality? We know that a high-end user interface that involves real-time simulation and interaction through multiple sensorial channels, which is so for called as virtual reality. Here, sensorial channels means vision, sound, touch, smell, taste, like that. So, from this we can conclude virtual reality, it should be a high-end user interface and which involves real-time simulation, because virtual reality should create a real-time exposure to the users with the help of interaction through multiple sensorial channels. Here sensorial channels in the sense of vision, sound, touch, smell, also taste. Okay, here we have virtual reality systems. Here here we have the virtual reality user and the system, and in between the user and the system we have tracking input, application and rendering, and for output we have displays. Here the interaction devices and techniques which helps the user can perfectly map the virtual environment to experience a real world experience in virtual world. Okay, here we have some crucial technologies for VR and for AR. In VR, it supports visual displays, graphics rendering system, tracking system, database system, and while coming into interaction devices part, here virtual reality, it has sound and haptic displays. Haptic means it is nothing but it gives a touch feel in virtual reality applications. While coming into AR part, augmented reality, it is fully dependent on intelligent part of the system. What is the difference between AR and VR? Mainly AR focused on the terms and the techniques which should be incorporated with some kind of intelligence, like for example we have Amazon 360-degree view, product view, and we have GPS camera. These are the examples of AR. VR, it should give intelligence as well as a real world experience. It should make its own decision, like virtual reality tour, virtual reality in education, and military training with the help of virtual reality. Intelligence plus real world technological decision making, which is called VR. And in AR part, we have only cameras and registering. Okay, already we have discussed about the input devices. Here in input devices in virtual reality, we have trackers, navigation and gesture interfaces. See here, the main heart of the VR system is VR engine. It is interfaced with VR software and database. In VR, we use this database, world database. In this world class database, we the user or the developer, we can get the entire elements of this world. And we have softwares, and we have input output devices, and we have user and task. This multiple tasks performed by the user can map with the virtual world with the help of VR engine. Okay, and we have in this part input devices, we have so much applications and we have so much examples. Here The main concept is we need three steps only for interaction and techniques to improve real world experience. Here we have application, rendering and display output. In this input devices, the main part is trackers. Second one is navigation and manipulation, and third one is gesture interfaces. In this tracker, the first and foremost thing is magnetic tracker. It has two types, one is AC, one is DC. Second one optical, third one ultrasonic, fourth one inertial, and also we have old type mechanical as well as new type mechanical trackers, and also we have hybrid trackers. While coming to the part of navigation and manipulation interface, we have tracker based, controller based and 3D mice based applications. And guest interfaces we use depth cameras. See here the example of input devices, trackers, navigation and gesture interfaces. Okay, we'll wind up here. And next lecture series we'll elaborately discuss about trackers, navigation and gesture interfaces. Thank you.